Hey there everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today is going to be a video about interpreting Smartmusic results. So your students may be playing through something and they don't understand why they're getting the score that they're getting. I'm going to kind of go through some things for you and for them so that you and they understand what exactly is going on here. So let's get to the video. So I brought up several examples from my students just so that we could kind of go through and interpret things. Obviously, I think we all know that when the black notes or anything black turns green, those notes or rests were counted perfectly. So that is perfect. And if we come down here and we look at 15, we can see that the student played the right note, but for some reason there's a red note instead of the black note. And that could be that Smartmusic or your computer had just a little bit of lag and it's showing that it's wrong. Even though me as the teacher, I can look at that and I can see, well, that was right. So that's the job of the teacher, to go in there and rescore this. And the student shouldn't get all worked up and worried about they got this wrong. Clearly you can see that is correct. There was just maybe a little bit of an issue. And then if we go down here to 21, you can see that they played the correct note, but the note was late. So my guess is when they were coming from this line down to that line, their eyes tracked slowly and they took a breath and they were late. And then you can see this one here, they were early. So that's what these mean. And because they're orange and not red, they were very close to getting it right. Very close to getting it right. Red can be clearly wrong unless it's up here at 15, where clearly we can see the note is correct, but it's showing a red note. All right, so this student started out great, played the right note. You can clearly see the note's correct again. So that's just for the teacher to score better than the computer because there was a little bit of lag. Clearly there was a wrong note. The note is just before the note that we need, and it's orange, so it was close to being right. And you can see it is the right note. It was just early. So timing is off. So that's basically what's kind of going on here is when a note comes before the note, it was early. When a note comes after a note, it was late. Orange is a little bit closer. Red is wrong unless you as the teacher or the student can see, hey, I played the right note. Why is it marking it wrong? And that's just a little bit of computer lag, or there was an issue with some kind of echo. Maybe you were wearing headphones or not. And all those things can create problems with Smartmusic. Okay, so I have another student. They weren't ready for the first note, so it shows that the note was late. They were close, but they were late. And then as we go down through, you can see they nailed the rest of the notes. It's just showing up as red. There's more issues with the newer Smartmusic as far as this goes. The older Smartmusic, not as much. But that's going away in August. And you can clearly see the student played correctly. But we have a divisi part here, so there's notes on notes. So if your student was playing the bottom notes, it's going to score that completely wrong because it wants the top notes. So my student decided to play the top notes, and over here it was marking them red. The more sound that's kind of coming into their microphone, the more this could happen. So I went in and I scored this a little bit better than what the computer did. And that's kind of what has to happen with the teacher. And you can see, again, it happened here, but they were a little bit late. The note came after the note. A little bit late, the note came after the note. And then they were right on. So all of this is right. So I hope this video cleared up some things as far as Smartmusic goes. On green is good, red is not good, orange is a little bit better. A note before the note's supposed to be played is early, and a note that's after a note that's supposed to be played is late. In the comments below, if you have more questions regarding how Smartmusic grades you or assesses you, then let me know down below and I'll answer those questions for you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you're getting more of my content. And thank you, as always, for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Your watching these and subscribing and commenting below just make me want to make more videos to help you out. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.